Find or read reviews that people are talking about. SEALIGHT 2023 newest 9005/HB3 LED headlight bulbs. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 100% vehicles compatible. 1-to-1 mini-sized halogen bulbs design, perfectly fit into the bulb housing and factory plug, almost no matching issues base standard operations. 20,000 lumens, 500% brighter. The 2023 upgraded chip with 16 lamp beads, has 1000 F irradiation distance at least and 6500 K cool white, provides clearer visibility, make your driving safer at night. 3 minutes installation. It has built-in power supply, small base, no polarity features, can be installed independently without any tools, plug and play. 50,000 plus hours lifespan. Heat dissipation determines lifespan. With 14,000 RPM cooling fan and single copper tube, the bulb temperature is greatly reduced when working. If you drive 10 hours every night, you can use it for 10 plus years. In addition, IP67 waterproof technology can make it use in a variety of weather. Focused beam pattern. The 0.05 in ultra-thin copper substrate solves the problem of flickering and dimming in the past. The focused light pattern avoids the impact on oncoming vehicles and makes driving safer. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.